I still remember the ringing in my ears. I bought a cheap garage compressor, fired it up, and practically blew my eardrums out. My neighbors actually came over to complain. Finding the right compressor that won't wake the dead but still has enough muscle for real tools is incredibly frustrating. Well, I spent weeks testing the top contenders so you don't have to. Here's exactly what matters when choosing your garage setup. And I'll even show you the surprising cordless unit that changed everything. Let's count down from 7 to 1. 7. California Air Tools 8010. This one is best for the garage tinkerer who values their hearing above absolute maximum airflow. When I first unboxed this aluminum and steel cylinder, I was honestly skeptical of the noise claims. Everyone says their motor is quiet, but usually it sounds like a jackhammer on tile when you plug it in. I plugged the 8010 in, flipped the switch, and it was actually just a low hum. You can hold a normal conversation standing right next to it, which is completely unheard of for an 8-gallon tank. The tank size itself is decent for a standard home garage setup. You get 8 gallons of air storage, which means the motor doesn't have to kick on every 5 seconds when you are blowing dust off your workbench. It sits comfortably in a corner without eating up half your usable floor space. The wheels make it relatively easy to drag around the concrete, though the hardware feels a little basic for the price point. Performance-wise, the 1.0 horsepower motor pushes about 3 CFM at 40 psi. Let me explain why that matters for your daily tasks. If you are running brad nailers, filling car tires, or doing some light airbrushing, this thing keeps up beautifully without breaking a sweat. It fills the tank relatively quickly from empty, taking just over 2 minutes to hit the 120 psi maximum pressure. But if you try to hook up a die grinder or an air sander, you're going to be standing around waiting for the pressure to build back up. DeWalt Air Compressor. This is best for the weekend warrior framing basements or putting up trim who just needs reliable, raw pressure. You have probably seen this exact model sitting on basically every residential job site in the country at some point. I bought this unit expecting it to be the ultimate garage workhorse, and it certainly feels well put together when you pull it out of the box, featuring a nice protective console cover over the vital components. The pressure rating is where this unit actually shines and proves its worth. Getting 165 maximum PSI in a 6-gallon tank means you have a massive reserve of usable air before the motor engages. I tested it by framing out a small partition wall in my basement, and I was able to fire off dozens of framing nails before the pump even thought about turning on. It recovers incredibly fast too, thanks to the high-efficiency motor designed for quick turnaround. The dual universal couplers are a really nice touch for multitasking. You know, being able to have a tire inflator on one hose and a blowgun on the other without constantly swapping out brass fittings is a massive time saver. The regulator knob turns smoothly out of the box, and the pressure gauges are clearly visible right from a standing position, so you aren't hunching over to check your air levels. I am not exaggerating when I say this compressor will rattle your teeth. It is incredibly loud and aggressive. 5. Craftsman Hot Dog Air Compressor. This is best for the space-constrained DIYer who needs quick tire top-offs and light airbrushing without taking up precious floor space. When you just do not have the square footage for a massive vertical tank, this little horizontal tube is an absolute lifesaver. I picked this up specifically to test how well it fits on a standard garage metal shelving unit, and it slides right in with room to spare. The 1.5 horsepower oil-free pump means you never have to mess with checking fluid levels or cleaning up accidental spills. You know, for most casual home users, maintenance-free operation is exactly what you want from your tools. You plug it in, use it for your project, and completely forget about it until next time. The direct drive motor is surprisingly punchy, easily getting the 3-gallon tank up to 135 psi in just about a minute and a half. I used this exclusively for basic car maintenance for a full week to see how it held up. I was topping off truck tires, blowing thick dust out of engine bays, and running a small brad nailer for some wooden birdhouse projects. It handled all of those lighter tasks perfectly. The rubber feet actually grip the concrete floor, so unlike the loud Pancake we just talked about, this one stays exactly where you put it while it runs. Now, the smaller tank size does inherently mean the motor cycles quite frequently. 4. Campbell Hausfeld 2-stage. This beast is best for the serious home mechanic running impact wrenches, dual-action sanders, and automotive paint sprayers. When this massive unit arrived, I knew I was stepping up to the big leagues. The 2-stage pump is the real magic here. Instead of just compressing the air once like a standard unit, it compresses it, sends it to a second smaller cylinder, and compresses it again. This means you get a massive volume of air delivered at a much cooler operating temperature. I hooked up a 1/2-inch impact wrench, tackled a heavily rusted suspension job on an old truck, and the pressure gauge barely even twitched while I worked. The heavy cast iron cylinders and oil-lubricated pump mean this machine is built to outlast your actual garage. Yes, you have to do actual routine maintenance like oil changes, but the trade-off is incredible professional-grade longevity. Running at 175 maximum PSI, you're storing so much energy in that 30-gallon vertical tank that you can paint an entire car door panel without the motor even turning on once. The noise level is actually surprisingly low for a machine this large and powerful. Because it is a belt-driven unit running at lower RPMs, it produces a deep, rhythmic chugging sound rather than a high-pitched, frantic scream. 3. Stealth Ultra Quiet Air Compressor. This is best for the late-night woodworker who lives in close quarters and needs decent capacity without disturbing the peace. I tested the 20-gallon vertical version, and let me tell you, the branding on the box is entirely accurate. Living in a neighborhood where the houses are practically touching, I always felt incredibly guilty running pneumatic tools past dinner time. I fired the Stealth up at 9 at night on a Tuesday, and my family inside the house did not hear a single thing. The dual-piston, oil-free pump operates at a remarkably low decibel level for its size. It hovers right around 68 decibels, which is basically the volume of a normal conversational voice. But what really impressed me during testing is the overall build quality. The metal tank is thick, the factory welds are immaculate, and it comes with massive heavy-duty rubber wheels that roll effortlessly over messy extension cords and typical garage debris. I hooked up a heavy framing nailer and decided to build an entire heavy-duty workbench from scratch. The motor kicked on maybe 3 times the whole afternoon. The 20-gallon tank gives you massive headroom for your tools, and it recovers incredibly fast when the pressure does eventually drop. The gauges are large, highly visible, and angled slightly upward, so you do not have to awkwardly crouch down to read your air pressure. Metabo HPT Portable Pancake Air Compressor. This is best for the contractor-level DIYer looking for absolute bulletproof reliability in a classic, proven format. You might remember this exact design as the classic green Hitachi compressor, and let me assure you, the internal magic has not changed a bit since the rebrand. I have seen these things tossed carelessly into the back of pickup trucks, dropped down wooden stairs, and left out in the rain, and they just keep running perfectly. I tested this specific unit during a freezing morning in my unheated detached garage. Where traditional oil-lubricated compressors sluggishly struggle to turn over in the bitter cold, this oil-free universal motor fired up instantly without tripping the circuit breaker. It reaches its 150 psi limit very quickly, giving you plenty of driving power for intricate trim work, roofing patches, or structural framing. The console design is arguably the absolute best in its entire class. Everything vital is fully protected by a heavy steel roll cage that actually works. The dual universal quick couplers are factory installed perfectly straight, with 0 annoying air leaks right out of the cardboard box. I plugged in 2 hoses, had a friend help me install some long crown molding, and the Metabo kept both of our nail guns firing perfectly in sync without starving either tool of air. The air regulator on this unit is phenomenally accurate and stays put. When you dial it to exactly 90 psi, it stays exactly at 90 psi all day long. Ryobi 1 Plus 18-volt cordless compressor. This is best for the modern homeowner who wants maximum grab-and-go convenience without ever being tethered to a wall outlet again. I know exactly what you were thinking. A tiny battery-powered compressor taking the top spot for a home garage setup? Well, yes. After using this extensively for a month, I practically stopped plugging in my larger tanks altogether. It completely changed how I approach and handle air tools around the house. The sheer convenience of this tool is honestly mind-blowing once you try it. No hunting around for an open wall outlet, no unraveling a heavy 50-foot extension cord just to fill a low car tire out on the driveway. You simply grab it by the rubberized handle, drop a standard 18-volt battery into the side slot, and you have instant portable 120 psi air anywhere you want it. I carried it upstairs to install bedroom baseboards, then walked right out to the street to inflate my kids' flat basketball. It features a professional locking air chuck on the hose and a remarkably precise pressure regulator dial. The 1-gallon tank sounds incredibly small on paper, but because the battery powers a very efficient direct drive motor, it refills almost instantly as you work. I was able to effortlessly fire over 200 brad nails on a single 4 amp-hour battery, which is more than enough capacity for a weekend woodworking project. The operating noise level is also wonderfully low and completely unobtrusive. Outro. That's all for today, folks.